So he started looking after the baby like his own baby. He would feed him with milk, take care of all his needs, and when the baby would go out to play, he would wait like an anxious mother, waiting for the baby to come back. And if the baby got little late, he would be like, oh, where is my baby? He would be like in so much of pain, thinking about the baby and getting sad. So like this way he got so attached to the baby deer that he thought that that was his like how we look after our own child. He was looking after the baby like that. So now he grew.
Something that most pet parents are doing today.
Yeah, we are one of them.
We are certain. I'm certainly one of them.
And so now, as Raja Bharat grew old,
Raja Bhartari.
Bhartari grew old, and it was time for him to depart from this world. He was on his deathbed, and the deer was looking at looking at him like
The
how
old Rishi Bhartari.
yeah, old Rishi Bhartari, and even the baby deer was also sad, and Bhartari Raja was also sad. Say what will happen to him when I am not there? Who will look after him? So, in our Sanatan Dharma, it said that whatever your last thought is when you are dying, so you become that, and it stays with you. So, in the next birth, Raja Bhartari was born as a deer. But since his punya karma was so much that in his this deer form also, he only thought about God. So he was staying on a parvat where he stayed with his mother, and lots
Mother
of
deer?
mother dear, yeah,
Okay.
and lots of rishis used to come there to do kirtan, and they used to pray and all. So he would always go and sit there next to them, and he would get totally immersed in that. And then one day, what happened that his mother died. So he became very sad again, and he started walking, and he was missing his mother, and he kept on chanting God's name and looking for where to go, and like that, in this birth also he died. But all the good things that he had done in his life stayed with him. So now this birth he was born in a very
Next birth. Next birth, he was born as Jad Bharat. He decided he will become Jad.
no.
Just then.
He was born in a very rich family where his
अच्छा क्यों बोला?
हाँ क्यों वो जड़ भरत क्यों his brothers and bhabis everybody were there, father was there, but everybody treated him like an animal, like they used to make him do all the hardest work of the house, like lifting and taking stuff, like he was treated like a coolie, like a majur. What do you call majur in English? Like a laborer. So he kept on doing everything, but he never said a word, and because he didn't want to get attached, he didn't want to lose his mind, he didn't want to get into anything. He just said, I will quietly live my life and finish this birth. So he was taking all that. His father used to be there. His father would feel for him and he would take his side, but after a few years, his father also passed away. So now his brothers and everybody treated him very badly. So then he left everything and he became totally quiet like a Jad Bharat, like a root of the tree.
This is the Jad Bharat story.
Yeah. So then how does he come out from the Jad Bharat, That King Rahuguna's story.
Yes, see?
Yeah. So one day he was there was a palki of King Raja Rahuguna was going from his city.
I'm so glad you know this.
I was teaching Bal Bhagavatam. This is one of the stories.
Yeah, so
Bal
I know
Bhagavatam.
so many such stories.
Yes.
Yes, and you know, I didn't know that he was with many brothers and many sisters.
That is why he became Jad Bharat, because they were treating him also very badly. But he said, I don't want to say anything, create any more karmas, not fight even for myself. So he totally gave up. So now in this birth, he was one day he was sitting near a tree, just thinking that I
Hmm.
mean, uh, what he has gone through in his life, and now where he is. Like everybody is treating him so badly, but he doesn't want to say anything. He was just thinking in his mind, and then a king, palanquin, Raja Rahuguna's palanquin passes by. So one of the laborer, four people carry the palki. So one of them fell sick. So there was one person required to hold the palki. So the one of the palki fellow
Bearer.
bearer told him, "Please come and help." So he didn't want to say no for that. Also, he said, "Okay." So he held one of the palki sticks and he started carrying. But while he was walking, he was not walking straight. He was walking, jumping, and so the king
He
in
wasn't trained for this, na?
yeah, no, why he was walking like this? Because he will tell just now. The king got very angry. He said, "Who is this person who's not taking my palki properly? Going right, left, jumping." So he came out and he said, "Who's this person?" So he started shouting at him, started telling him all unnecessary things, like getting very angry with him. So finally, in this birth, he spoke, Raja Bhartari, and that
Jad Bharat.
yeah, everybody thought he's mute, he cannot speak, he's gunga, but he spoke and he tells the king that, "Oh king, I'm not fool." The king actually called him fool. "Oh fool, what are you doing?" He said, "I'm not a fool. I am I am trying to save all the insects and all the
Acha.
little beings on the path who are there. So I'm trying to save them because I don't want to collect any more karmas."
Hmm.
So at this, the king also felt a lot of respect for him, and he's bowed down to him and he's asked for forgiveness.
So what I know, now I'll add my bit. When the king questioned him, first he said, after this, not first, after this, when king said, "Then why did you accept? You are such a learned man."
Yeah.
And he told the king about him being Raja Bhartari, Rishi Bhartari, then that Hiran or the deer. So then king said, "Why did you listen to them? Why did you take my palki? Why did you become a bearer?" So he said, "What is the difference if I helped? The weight of your palki was on my shoulder. The weight of the shoulder was on my stomach. The stomach's weight was on the knee. And the weight of your entire thing was on Mother Earth.
Yeah.
So why would you think that you have insulted me when I carried your
Yeah,
palki?
correct.
It is same as the others. This is the end gyan."
Yeah.
And the Raja bows down to him and he takes him to his court and then he would learn under him. But Jad Bharat said that this is my last birth. I refuse to speak anymore.
Yeah.
But he stayed in the palace and he was looked after by the king, but he never spoke again. So, this is Raja Bhartari's story. I hope we all have learned something today. And Didi, आपने तो खूब दारुण वाह नमन अभिवादन गुरुवर को नमन माँ सर्वेश्वरी को नमन हैप्पी दिवाली
Happy Diwali.